Didn't know it was possible to have a bond like this. How a hug can mean so much, an added bonus is a kiss. How my heart can't help smiling when it sees your smiling face. How such a little person can fill up my whole heart's place. How simple little memories, even when we are apart, light up the darkest days and play music in my heart. How things I once hoped for are now all about you. I hope for health and happiness all of your life right through. I hope that I'm around to always see you grow. But if an angel ever calls, there's something you need to know. I have loved you more than life, and I always will. And no matter where I am, I will love you still.